Viewers of Jose Chille DeCastro received a surprise on Thursday as he live-streamed to announce that he was suing former Nevada Justice of the Peace Anne Zimmerman, current Judge Michelle Leavitt, on Tuesday. And of course, that his Constitution headquarters board game was delayed again. DeCastro addressed his fans while driving in his self-driving minivan, as he announced that he had activated the mode to safely address his fans while the car drove itself. He laughed at the idea of someone reporting his activities to the police, as his reaction to any traffic stop would turn into a live First Amendment audit. The YouTuber said that after consulting multiple lawyers and ChatGPT, he was told that it was nearly impossible to sue former Justice of the Peace Zimmerman. He said that he found a loophole that would allow him to sue the former Justice of the Peace over a Fourth Amendment claim. During his trial last year, multiple charges, including interference in a traffic stop, Judge Zimmerman ordered everyone in her courtroom to turn over cell phones before the hearing started. DeCastro protested the order to turn over his cell phone and claims that the search was in retaliation for insulting court staff before the hearing. DeCastro also announced that he was suing Judge Michelle Leavitt, who ultimately overturned Zimmerman's ruling and freed DeCastro last year. He claims Leavitt denied him due process when she vacated a bond hearing he was scheduled to have when he filed his initial appeal of his conviction. Also announced in his pending lawsuit was prosecutor Agnes Bautello, who prosecuted his original case in Las Vegas. DeCastro stated that because she had recommended no jail time in her pretrial assessment, and later changed her mind and suggested time in jail, she somehow violated his rights for a fair trial. DeCastro then announced that the final defendants in the case would be Clark County, Nevada, and Officer Brandon Bourke of the Las Vegas Metro Police Force. While no claim has been stated against the county, DeCastro made it clear that he was suing Bourke for perjury, as Bourke testified that DeCastro did not step back when ordered to do so during the initial arrest, while Judge Leavitt stated otherwise. Bourke is included in DeCastro's current multi-million-dollar federal lawsuit against the Las Vegas Metro Police Department. DeCastro updated that case by indicating that he would soon be filing motions to strip Bourke of his qualified immunity in that lawsuit. There was some confusion as to when DeCastro will file the new lawsuit. He initially stated that he would be going live on Monday in Las Vegas as he filed suit, but later changed the projected date to Tuesday, as he would be attending a family gathering for most of the weekend. The family gathering was also to blame for DeCastro's announcement that his board game was again delayed. He said that he received some of the prototype cards for the game already, but would not be in Los Angeles on Saturday to receive the next batch of cards. He estimated that he would be back in his Los Angeles-based studio on Wednesday and would start filming his lectures related to the game on Thursday next week. DeCastro provided no firm updates to when the long-delayed board game would be released, only warning his fans that making a game that would change the world takes time. The YouTuber also thanked his fans for providing him with over $60,000 in crowdsourced revenue in 2024. Because of his fans' contributions, That $60,000 covered the bulk of the $75,000 he claimed to have spent on his legal representation during his appeal. DeCastro also brought up the GoFundMe campaign he created for good friend Craig Hendry's bond for charges out of Sullivan County, Indiana. The YouTuber said that promotion was the only way for the campaign to thrive, but then failed to give out the URL for the GoFundMe. This error resulted in no new donations for the day to that campaign. Finally, DeCastro announced that because of some jurisdictions that are unfairly banning the use of ChatGPT to substitute for a human lawyer, he will soon be acquiring a Westlaw practical law account. Westlaw, now known as Thomson Reuters Practical Law, provides resources to help with legal research by providing access to thousands of documents, checklists, how-to guides, and legal updates. DeCastro announced he will live stream again on Monday or Tuesday.